right, LMS, welcome back to a segment. We're talking about ITIN numbers. A lot of individuals do not know what ITIN numbers. The ITINs were created for the purpose of taxes. The ITIN program was created by the IRS in July of 1996 so that foreign nationals and other individuals who are not eligible for a Social Security number can pay the taxes they are legally required to pay. ITINs are not Social Security numbers. Many immigrants have ITIN numbers so that they can create corporations, LLCs. With these ITIN numbers, they can report their taxation of any monies made in America, whether bartering, whether working, whatever you make a dollar from, you should be reporting your taxes to the IRS. And if you're an illegal or you're a foreigner that does not have a Social Security number, an ITIN number will be issued to you as you fill out the application. Now, the government says that it does not provide this information to immigration. It's only solely for the purpose of collecting data so that you can pay your taxes. Again, if you own a business in America, you put all your assets, your commercial property, your commercial autos, all your equipment and everything that you work with or who you work with so that the government tracks how much money you're making here in America to legally pay your fair share of taxes. So again, the ITIN numbers were a special number created for foreigners who do not have a Social Security number. Now, ITINs do not provide legal status or work authorization. Too many people are confused that if you have an ITIN number, you can hire that individual to work. They are confused. It is not a number to authorize you to work. It's a number that because you are working here illegally, you can report your monies that you make here in America. So again, the ITIN number, you can go to publication 915 and find out all the information of what you can do with the ITIN number and what you cannot do with the ITIN number. So a lot of tax preparers that I've talked to are confused that, well, he's got an ITIN number. Yes, he's got an ITIN number that legally allows him to report his monies on the tax return, but does not give him a legal status. Now, if he was to create an LLC or a corporation, then the company is a legal status using the ITIN number that he's an investor, a foreigner here in America, paying his fair share of taxes through the LLC or the corporation, where the assets can now be placed in a legal entity. So again, take our classes with LMS. We explain all these types of scenarios to individuals who have ITIN numbers, and a lot of tax preparers really need to take this class or at least read publication 915 to understand what the ITINs can do and cannot do. Again, until we see you again, thank you for joining us for this segment.